Watch a full HD video of this 2010 Ford Explorer Sport Track Adrenaline Clean Carfax 4.0L V6 engine, Adrenaline package, limited package, automatic transmission center console shifter, all-wheel drive 4x4 four-wheel drive AWD, full four-door crew cab, short box, dual heated seats, power driver's seat, black ebony leather seats, bucket seats, power moonroof sunroof, dual rear exhaust, second row bench seating, towing package receiver hitch and wiring, 3.73 gears, advanced track with RSE roll stability control traction control, heated power mirrors, Pirelli Scorpion ATR P255/50R20 tires, 20-inch rims, polished aluminum rims, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, chrome-tipped exhaust, 6-disc and CD changer CD player, Microsoft Sync system with hands-free Bluetooth phone capabilities, auxiliary and USB jack, Sirius satellite radio capabilities, power slide-down rear window, running boards, locking factory hard fold-up tonneau cover, locking tailgate, raise assist tailgate, keyless entry, driver side door code entry, power sliding rear window, side airbags curtain airbags, multi-function steering wheel, LATCH child safety system, dual climate control, compass, temperature, and mileage display, power pedals, factory floor mats, rubber floors, air conditioning AC, cruise control, power locks, power windows, tilt, factory bumper-to-bumper mile warranty until 36,000 miles, factory powertrain warranty until 60,000 miles. This truck is eligible for a 100,000-mile parts and service agreement. Clean Carfax. Very clean inside and out. Runs and drives excellent. This is one of the sharpest 2010 Ford Explorer Sport Track Crew Cab Short Box trucks on your lot with sunroof moonroof. Make your move before the super clean Ford WD is gone.